Day 2 of the 3 days long third Karbi National Convention held today at Joy Singh Doloi Auditorium here on Saturday. Karbi Student Association complained against MAC Prabhat Chandra Taro for naming an eco park as Hati Pahar. And all Tiva Student Union and various students' organizations took a massive procession against Constitutional Scheduled Tribe Amendment Bill 2019 to 6 communities. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Cut News. You are watching the mainstream at 6. I'm Sarim Tiso. Now the news in details. Day 2 of the 3 days long third Karbi National Convention held today at Joy Singh Doloi Auditorium here on Saturday. The event was started this morning with remembrance to Karbi ancestors. Numerous Karbis from different parts of the state participated at the event. The convention was inaugurated by the Chief Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Mr. Tuliram Ronghang.
Karya tumta ilang tido, karya tumta tinggi sempoto, oleh tum langsung pasti nanti wajah kelas apa, pilkheran kubang dia tumta, pasti nanti pulaso, kejapon, RDP.
The Karbi King Ram Singh Ronghang, Padma Shri Rongbong Tirang, former MP Biren Singh T, EM Amar Singh Tiso, Mangal Singh Timung, Kache Rong PP, MSc Richard Ingti, and many dignitaries were attended the convention. The event will be continued till tomorrow. The convention is being organized by Karbi Cultural Society and Karbi Lamedame. Karbi Student Association complained against MAC Prabhat Chandra Taro for naming an eco park as Hati Pahar. The students' organization demanded the eco park should be named as Arlong Kindu. The students' organization stated Arlong Kindu was named by ancestor at the time of settlement, where the ancestor belonged from Karbi community. Further, the Karbi Student Association demanded the removal of the name as Hati Pahar and the park should be named as Arlong Kindu. Alright, so let's have a little short break here at the mainstream at 6, but lots more coming up on the other side. Keep watching. Kapachini Fu Medical College along Non Kevangji Phai Kuning Koira Phor Nipen OPD service mate outpatient department service pangcheng ponpo Non amat ke la soteng pen Stupa hipaha oga prana satlang mate check up upon Non Kevangji Phai Kunini Phai Koira Phor Nipen Chelang dam longpo labang so oga prana satlang chelang longjia por lake ada por phai na kepen arnikang sam por phai hinian sia por sik pontang lo kiso ketan pik mate emergency atuma phan non amat ke difu civil hospital along si langpon bom jilang.
Start here, right anywhere. Isan Motors authorized dealer of Royal Enfield, Rongkhelan near Don Bosco School, Dipu, 782460 Assam. Easy finance available here. For more information, contact 700-280-5342 and 8812-805591, or you can mail isanmotorsk@gmail.com. Kanj Shopping Mall is a Gulf of Assam enterprise under Hill Areas Department. A glorious 1 year now.
Here's everything you need: groceries and household supplies, cosmetics, personal care and skincare essentials, appliances and electronics, stationery, men's and women's clothing along with tribal clothing. Also a huge Durga Puja offer on Swati brand, an offer you cannot refuse. Shopping Mall, Difu Manja Road, Manja Industrial Complex, 782461, Manjab, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Welcome back to the mainstream at 6. All Tiba Student Union and various organizations took a massive procession against Constitutional Scheduled Tribe Amendment Bill 2019 to 6 communities. The protest was carried out at Umswai under Amri constituencies around 6 o'clock here on Friday evening. That's the report. All Tiva Student Union and various organizations took a massive procession against Constitutional Scheduled Tribe Amendment Bill 2019 to 6 communities. The protest was carried out at Umswai under Amri constituency around 6 o'clock here on Friday evening. The protest was led by All Tiva Student Union and Coordination Committee for Tribal Organizations of Assam. The joint organization demanded for immediate withdrawal of the Constitutional Scheduled Tribe Amendment Bill. Addressing the press conference, General Secretary of All Tiva Student Union, Mr. Nibon Amshi, threatened the central and the state government not to vote in the upcoming election if the Constitutional Scheduled Tribe Amendment Bill is not withdrawn. Opposing the bill, the organization further expressed that they are dissatisfied with granting scheduled tribe quota to Koch Rajbongsi, Ahom, Chutia, Moran, Motak and Shah Janagashti. Bureau Report, Cut News. Alright, so that's the wrap of this edition at the mainstream at 6, but lots more coming up on the other side. Jonali Timungpi is bringing you the prime time here on Cut News channel. Do stay with us.